Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. A wonderful journey of 8 years took Global CEO Club across the borders. Now Global CEO Club has very strong footprints for the business community all over the world. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. This expo is being organized by Faisalabad Chamber of Commerce. Mr. Salman Asad Rana, Regional Sales Manager for Happy Lag, is with us. I request Mr. Rana, please share with us about Happy Lag, about this brand.
Thank you so much, Mr. Afzal, for the opportunity. Glad to be here. It's been a wonderful experience so far. We are representing Happy Lag Paints, one of the renowned brand in Faisalabad and one of the largest selling brand, national brand in Pakistan. Happy Lag established its roots in Pakistan in 1978, and since then we are providing quality products and services in paints and construction chemicals. If we talk about paints, we have three different divisions. One is the decorative, which is one of the basic household division. We sell plastic emulsions, weather guards, and wipeout matte emulsion, and all decorative range. Second is the industrial division, in which we cater industries like transformers industries, like road marking industry, and other industries in which we deal epoxy paints, heat resistant paints, chlorinated rubber finishes, etc. Right now, Alhamdulillah, we have been established as one of the quality brands in Pakistan, offering a complete range of paints in Pakistan, which includes stoving paints, which includes polyurethane finishes, epoxy finishes, road marking paints, and decorative paints. The last division belongs to the construction chemicals, which is a widely used products in Pakistan, which includes tile bonds, grouts, waterproofing products, and other chemicals which endure your construction.
Wonderful, Mr. Rana. You people are doing an excellent job. If you people are looking for additional markets worldwide or want to expand your businesses worldwide, Global CEO Club can facilitate you people to join hands for the growth of your businesses. Global CEO Club would be always happy to cater the services, to render the services for the business community, to take care of the business people across the world. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful journey. Global CEO Club always be happy to have alliances, to have partnerships, to have JVs with you people for your growth all over the world.
Definitely, it's being a great opportunity. We can expand markets, we can expand our channels using your platform, and it would be a pleasure to have our roots connected with you in future as well.
Thank you. Time to time, Global CEO Club is organizing different business summits, expos worldwide. Our next expo is going to be organized in Kenya.
Okay.
Next one is in France, and next one is in Poland.
Okay.
We are going to organize also a big global business summit in Bulgaria.
Okay.
Recently, we have organized an expo in Belarus. From time to time, Global CEO Club is organizing internationally global business summits, investment summits. So there is a very wide and large scope for the business community. So join hands with Global CEO Club.
Definitely.
So that you people could be flourished all over the world.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Very nice meeting you.
Have a nice time.